Good day, learners. Again, this is your teacher, Sir Mulan, and welcome to our new video tutorial. And this video tutorial will talk about integers. And papunta tayo sa operation of integers. But before that, let's first define kung ano yung integers. Integers are those numbers that doesn't have, does not have decimal or fractional part. And meaning buo siya, whole number siya. And let me create a number line. And isa rin to sa mga additional um, definition of integers and so on until. Okay, so integers is also defined as, or it is composed of the counting numbers. Ano yung mga counting numbers natin? Ito, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth until positive infinity. So, ito yung counting numbers natin. Counting numbers, or sometimes called as whole numbers. Whole numbers. So it is consist of una, counting numbers, followed by 0 and the additive inverse of our counting numbers or yung whole numbers. So ano yung additive inverse? Yung kabaliktaran lang. Kung may 1 ka dyan, which is positive, sa kaliwa, -1, -2, -3, and so on and so forth. Lagyan natin ng arrow until negative infinity. So if the numbers keeps on going to the right, papalaki siya ng papalaki. And if it continues going to the left, papaliit siya ng papaliit. So basically, that is the definition of integers. Numbers that does not have decimal or fractional part. Buo siya. And is composed of, to the right of 0, those are counting numbers, and they are all positive numbers. 0, and yung additive inverse or yung mga negative numbers natin. Notice na it is only 0 na walang sign, meaning walang positive na nakasulat. Any number to the right of 0, pag sinabing 3, it means positive 3 yan. With or without the sign dito, sa left-hand portion ng number, it means na positive siya. Pero pagka negative, kailangan i-omit, ay kailangan idagdag, huwag niyong i-omit yung negative value. Pag -1, it has to be -1. Take note that -1 is not equal to 1. Kasi nga, nasa kaliwa siya ng 0, meaning si -1, pwede pang maniwala, -1 is less than +1. Okay, malinaw po ba? So before I proceed with the first operation of integers, dapat malinaw yung concept na yon. So kapag malinaw, we can now proceed with addition of integers. Okay. Sa addition of integers, meron tayong tatlong cases. And that would be, notice sa integers, merong positive, merong negative. Okay? So what if we are going to add, okay tayo, positive, sulat ko na lang, POS means positive, dagdagan natin ng positive, the answer will always be positive. Bigay ako ng example. So example is sa unang case. Say, I have Let's start from small numbers. 5 plus 3. And it is obvious that 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. And yung basic na natutunan natin when we were in elementary. Next is if we have a negative, dagdagan natin ng negative, the answer is still negative. Halimbawa, negative 5 plus, yan yung main operand, dadagdagan natin ng negative value. Notice na nilagyan ko ng parenthesis yung negative 3. It means that it is our second operand. The first operand is negative 5. Our operator, which is plus sign kasi addition of integers tayo. And the second operand is negative 3. So all we need to do, pagka negative, dagdagan mo ng negative, alam na natin na negative yung sagot. And ang gawin lang natin is, i-plus lang natin si 5 sa si 3. Yun. Kaya ang sagot, negative 8. Negative 5 plus negative 3 is equals to negative 8. So let me explain this portion, this first two cases using the number line. Yung kaninang linyang pinakita ko. So the first number line, ayan. Diba, sabi natin, nasabi na dito si 0. Sunod si 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ito naman, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, nandito na si negative 10. Okay. So pag mag-a-add tayo ng integers, pagka mga small numbers, kung sakaling malilito ka, eto lang, you can use of the number line. So, yung first operand, in this case, sa example na to, ang first operand natin is 5. Yung 5 will be our starting point. Starting point. Lagay natin si starting point dito. Yun, si 5. And that is positive. Next, plus. Plus or yung operator natin. The operator will tell us, dalawa lang yan, either plus or minus. Pagka plus, yung direction. Direction siya. Yung direction yung plus and minus. Pagka plus, yung direction of the movement is to the right of our starting point. Pagka minus, yung direction niya is to the left of the starting point. Kaya si 5, we know na magpa-plus tayo, we're going to move to the right of our starting point, which is 5. Ito. And since we're going to move to the right of 5, tatanungin natin ilang beses tayo we're going to go, ilang movement ang gagawin natin going to the right. And our second operand will tell us the number of places na gagawin natin or movement from the starting point. So, tatlo. So, to the right, isa, dalawa, tatlo. Kaya yan, 8 yung sagot. Dito naman, ang nangyari kasi is, if we are going to simplify this, negative 5, ayan na, para mo lang i-multiply itong dalawang to, yung plus and minus. Positive times negative is equals to negative 3. So, ayan na. Gawin na nating starting point, which is negative 5. Ayan si negative 5. And yung direction is minus. It means we're going to the left. By how many places? 3 places. And that would be, let's count. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Kaya we landed kay negative 8. Okay. Malinaw ba? All right. So let's move to our last last case. Addition of integers pa rin. Addition of integers. So, yung last case is either positive plus negative o kaya or negative plus positive. Pag ganito yung case, ito yung case natin, what we're going to do is we are going to use the larger number and its sign, kung positive siya, sundin natin yung sign ni larger number. Then, ang gagawin natin, subtract. So, linawin ko lang through example sa case na to. Alright, example number 1. Let's say we have positive 5 plus negative 3. Ayan na. Pag may nakita kang magkatabi si operator, and in this case, ang operator sign natin is plus sign kasi addition tayo, then yung next na operand, yung sign niya is negative, multiply natin siya. Positive times negative, simplify muna natin. We have negative 3. Kaya kung magna-number line ka, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Starting point, 5, minus yung direction to the left. Yeah, we're going to move to the left from 5 by 3 times. So, bilang tayo 1, 2, 3. Kaya 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. Kaya ito, 5 plus negative 3 is equals to 2. Yan pa, na positive plus negative. Kaya ayan o, use the larger number, then and its sign. Ano yung sign ni 5? Diba? With or without the plus sign, it is understood that it is positive. Kaya yung magiging sagot natin is positive. Next, example number 2. Dito ko nasulat. Let's say, ito naman, negative plus positive. Negative 5 plus 3. Ayan. Use the larger number, and that is 5 minus and its sign. So, gawin muna natin, minus 3 is equals to 2. And its sign. Ano yung sign ni larger number? Negative. Kaya yung sagot is negative 2. Parang binaliktad lang natin. Okay? Parang 3 minus 2 is negative. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Okay, yun lang yan. Use the larger number and its sign, then subtract. Pero ibabalik natin yung sign ni larger number. So, explain natin to in a form of a number line. That would be 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. So, papatunayan lang natin na yung sagot is negative 2. Starting point. Starting point. Plus means we're going to move to the right of negative 5 by how many places? 3 places. Bilangan natin. 1, 2, 3. Kaya kay negative 2 yung sagot. Okay. Next example naman tayo. What if I have positive? Baba ko lang Yup. Yun. Sample number 3. I have positive 3 plus negative 5. Simplify lang natin to. Para siyang 3 positive times negative, we have negative 5. Ayan na, in number system na natin to. Starting point, Direction, number of places. Ayan, number line tayo. Sabihin natin, ito si 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. -1, -2, -3, -4. Kunwari, equidistant to Starting point, 3. Direction to the left kasi minus sign. And we're going to move towards the left by 5 times. So, bilang tayo. 1, 2. So, bilang tayo from 3 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Kaya sagot is -2. Para lang yan, use the larger number. Pag sinabing larger number, naka-absolute. Kahit negative siya, 5 pa rin siya. And its sign. Yung its sign, babalik natin later sa sagot. Then subtract. Kaya use the larger number. So, larger number, larger, lagay natin, absolute number. Pag sinabing absolute, pag -5, absolute na value of -5 is 5. Pag absolute value of 5, still 5. Kesyo negative or positive, still magiging positive siya. Absolute nga without the sign. So, yan lang ibig sabihin. Use the larger absolute number. Yung sign niya, later na lang ibabalik. Okay, last example. Let's say I have -3 plus a positive, which is 5. Sabi daw, use the larger number. Absolute value of 5, ito is 5. Then subtract. So parang ngayon, 5 absolute, subtract lang, -3. Anong sign ang susunod? Sign ni larger number, which is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. So lagay natin sa number line para hindi ma-confuse. Para mas malinaw. That would be, ito yung 0, -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, 3. Starting point, -3. Direction to the right kasi plus sign. By how many places we're going to the right? Starting from 5, starting from -3, 5 times. So, bilang tayo. 1 from -3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, ito yung sagot. Sir, paano sir kung gawin ko tong isolve ko to kaso lang hindi ko na magagawang gumamit ng number line lalo na kung malalaki yung number. Same. Observe natin yung pattern. Okay, so bigay tayo ng example. Let's say I have 1,000 plus 359. Madali lang to. First case to So just simply add them, 1,359. What if parehong negative? Negative 1,000 plus -359. Ito yung case number 2. Pag parehong negative, yung magiging sagot is negative, then add lang natin yung mga numbers na without So 1,000 plus 359. So 1,359. Negative 1,359. What if negative yung isang number, yung isa positive? O sige, gawin natin. What if I have sige, negative si 1,000 tapos plus 359. Yun. Use, yan, hanapin natin yung absolute number ng dalawa. 1,000. Absolute value of 1,000 is still 1,000. Absolute value of 359 is 359. Which is the larger number? Si 1,000. Then, subtract. Subtract lang natin. Hindi pwede makasubtract. So, 990. So, 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. Then, and its sign. Yun, lagay lang natin. So, yung sagot is -641. What if si smaller number naman, positive, positive plus negative 1,000. Same thing. Mas pag hinanap mo yung absolute, ganito din. So, negative 641 pa rin to. What if si negative naman, si 359? Dagdagan natin ng same thing. Hanapin natin. Absolute value of 1,000. Still 1,000. Absolute value ni negative 359. Still, magiging na siyang 359 lang. Tatanggalin lang yung negative. Then, subtract daw. So, 10, 9, 9, magiging 0. Sana hindi na issue yung gantong pagsusubtract. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. Ano yung sign? Larger number, 1,000. So, positive. So, may siyang 641, meaning positive siya. Baliktarin naman natin. 1,000 plus negative 359. Simplify. Positive, negative. Positive times negative, pagiging 1,000. Positive times negative is negative 359. And that would be, pag sinubtract mo yan, eto lang naman yan. So that would be 641, which is positive number. All right, so I do hope you have learned something in this video. Practice na lang, and you may refer to other resources kung sakaling may hindi naintindihan or ulitin nyo lang yung video ito. All right, so God bless. See you on my next video, and that would be subtraction of integers.